We have history ourselves in terms of conflict and peace processes, and I can recall at the beginning of our own peace process there was a lot of scepticism and criticism of people who took initiatives at that time. And there's never an ideal moment to launch a peace initiative, and I would pay tribute to President Trump for his unrelenting focus on peace, both in Ukraine and in the Middle East. And there's still a journey to travel, but I think momentum is clearly picking up now as a result of the outcome of the talks today, and hopefully that can progress into more substantive discussions. And it's also very clear, that the United Kingdom, France and others have also been involved in helping and assisting this process. So we clearly are in a process now, but a lot depends on obviously the Russian reaction, and a lot depends on how collectively this process can be built upon.
Obviously there's been a lot of scepticism that Vladimir Putin actually wants peace. I mean, do you think this puts the ball into his court in sussing out whether he is serious here about having a lasting peace?
Well, he already laid down preconditions, some of which may enable him, given what has transpired in the last number of weeks, to actually come forward. But it's certainly very much now up to Russia to respond to what I think is a positive initiative